In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export the response directly to Word, PDF, or Google Docs in Gemini. Let's get started. Normally, you are not able to export the response directly to any kind of this format. You have to copy the response and paste it in whatever document you want. But there, as you can see, I have already installed this Chrome extension. So I'll show you how to do it. Just head over to Chrome Web Store and type in the Gemini, Word, PDF, or something like that. So you'll be find the extension, and simply click on this button and install it. So once you installed it, these buttons appears on the upper side, and also you can find this button below underneath of this response here. All you have to do is just simply click on this button so you can export it directly to the Word, PDF, or Google Docs. And I'll show you what it looks like. I have already exported this response to the Word. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's really helpful. Yeah, that's it. If you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.